What's up guys, Phil Jew here. Today we're going to do some maintenance on the 350Z, and we'll actually be changing the tie rods on Lyn's car, a 2004 Sentra. But yeah, we're going to get prepped for the season. This will be day one. I plan to go to the shop second time to change some more difficult parts like the diff bushings, because I am not confident in doing that on my own, or the front upper control arms. I'm gonna try and do those today, but we'll see how that goes. All right, I'll catch you there. So we made it to the shop. She looks adorable in safety glasses. So right now we're just going to remove the wheels, and then I already opened the filler cap, and then we'll do the brake flush last. So we'll get to it. Let's go. You want to do it? No. You're scared? Super quick. Alright, so what we're going to be doing now, since I'm explaining this to you too, if you want to come in here. So this is your tie rod here, right? So what we need to do is break this loose, take off the cotter pin, and take off the castle nut below here, right there, and then pop it out. Then we can get the retainers back here. Hopefully it's not too bad, but I just got to get through the farm hand, but that's what we're going to be doing.
Do it like the Navy.
I've never been in the Navy.
What are you doing?
He's already broken it.
I already cut off the...
Go Navy.
I'll go in.
Well, so next time if you know you're changing it,
yep,
all I would do is cut the flush, put a socket on, you hit it with the impact on, you're changing it anyway.
yeah. Thanks, Ron.
Am I on film for that?
Huh?
Am I on film for that? Where's this film going? You doing vlogging?
Yeah.
YouTube.
Did you see my machine gun?
Yeah, I did.
Isn't that badass?
You have to get a shot
I
of
forget,
that.
was that the students, or was that also...
It was supposed to be the students, but it was mostly
So, I was right. Ron's a good guy.
Considering he literally just did your job in like 2 seconds.
It actually happens most of the time. He comes in and it's just like, he likes to work.
I wish I could just turn this more.
I love power tools.
After yourself.
Man. Okay.
Oh, dang. Look at that.
Alright, so we came into a bit of trouble with the inner tie rod, the boot, and the outer tie rod, which is the entire tie rod system. But figured it out. I'm not sure with this, but as soon as we took off the inner tie rod, the power steering rack started leaking. So either it's slowly leaking, or it was just leaking through the threads. So I don't know. We installed a new one. It's not leaking anymore. Now Lyn's just trying to put on the boot.
Attempting to.
So we'll leave it up. Well, do you want to It's not drooping anymore. But yeah, that's where we're at. We're almost done with one side. Taking a lot longer, but that's just because Lyn's car is a piece of crap sometimes.
Did you cut yourself?
So the truck just got back from class. It's going to put back on its chassis, and now it's time to start the car.
Ow!
We're going to stretch this cap.
I need you to take this out.
Now that the root cap and the floor have been cut, we're going to basically shape some metal, put it into the rockers in the floor section, and that will give us our stretch.
Yeah. Metal shard. If you can see it.
I'll try.
Yeah. What do you want me to do?
You need to clamp it and then turn it to a kind of hot pipe.
I moved it just a little bit. Use a hammer and just break it.
That's what I was gonna do. Where's the DNA?
Not deep enough?
3 hours later.
So we finally finished Lyn's car. A little problems here and there, but Ron, the man back there, definitely helped out. I love this place. If you are in the Warwick, Rhode Island area, this place is open 7 days a week. So definitely check Ron out. Gearhead DIY Garage down in Warwick. Awesome place to be. I need to stop looking at my LCD screen, but Lyn had fun. I really don't think she had fun.
I'm just tired.
She's tired. We're gonna go grab some food, and we'll catch you guys later.
Sushi.
Peace.